I'm Mithun Rajbanshi. Today talking about NOVAC system. NOVAC system is automatic fire control system because this system always isolated room or enclosure room need. This fire this NOVAC system is always electrical equipment for protection. If this thing are protected for this one very expensive, so always need to the protect the isolated is other room and the safety for the fire extinguishing controlling the automatic fire, because these things are always very sensitive, because no possible to do the water firefighting to control the electrical fire, because need to the this one NOVAC system automatic, and this one have our gases, the nitrogen and FM200. This is why I'm talking about these things are how to maintenance, how to the protect our things are. Now I'll show you. This is our maintenance switch, system on and system inactive. Now is this our maintenance switch. Now we have normal, because now the active point. If you need to the any maintenance for our NOVAC system, you need to have key and it make the deactive. And then I will go to show you the our equipment inside how to work. Okay, come. This is our LDC room. This is our very important sensitive materials. This is if you need to the fire alarm. This is our smoke detector zone 1, and have this one always have the alternative cross joining. So the zone 1 detector 1 have another one, so that this device have zone 2 device 1, and then from here this one zone 1 device 2 always cross joining system. Have another system. This is our LV switch room. This is our lead panel. This is our stroke sounder, and this is our sounder also. We have the bell. This is 3 doors. So each door have the system. All of the people are safety. That's why we are need to the every door also put our sounder, flasher. We have also bell. Please you can see the design here. These are our bell. They give the signal first alarm. First stage. First stage, and this is our sounder. It's second stage. If zone 1, if activate the zone 1 smoke detector and then give the first alarm in the our bell, and then second alarm if activate zone 2 and then give the alarm sounder. So if only one zone only activation the fire, but no possible to release our gas system, because need to the both zone are need to activate and then release our system, because now only one zone only activate one device, no any activate the our cylinder also, because if I show you now about this is our false alarm. If any real fire or false fire is activate, if the protect the our cylinder gas release system, if have fire our this LV switch room, a first alarm and second alarm and 25 seconds after they release the our gas. If release the our gas and the coming from in front of our door have the on stove light and do not the gas discharge, you can see this is discharge at the same time, discharging time the give the sound also. Or I think that if you have false alarm, mostly you need to the press and hold, and then it will be showing the our panel about, and then 25 seconds the delay the discharging. If you push and hold, need to the mostly the abort switch. I will show you the MRS. This is the MRS switch. Total call point. This is our complete call point. If you our system is not working, if you press this switch, it immediately 0 second only need to the release our gas. And then this is the power system. If you need to be silent, if you make everything, we have the also in our system have here have common trouble everything. If you need to push, mostly we have our connecting of the wiring system, and then protect our automatic fire system, signaling and sign reset. If you have the any false alarm, you will abort and 25 second delay, and then you can make the resetting. If normal is okay, if not resetting possible to the discharge your shape, not possible to use the protect your gas releasing system. And then I will show you the our gas release will come similar. This is the Novec Siemens Synoris 1230. This is our cylinder Novec system. This is the nitrogen. It have our manual actor, the resetter switch, and this one have the pneumatic actor. This one need to the press the air. This is our gas indicator. What is the level of our gas? And this one have the discharge pressure switch. If you have it in the pulse, the our fire, if you activate is the dual protection system, if you have the reserve the manually, and the low pressure switch also have there. Of these things are our low pressure, and this one have our system. Our upside also have the valve, and you can see I will show you. After lower protection system also upside our low pressure switch. This one have to give the last stage of door protection. If you have this one, the activation of the system of give the gas discharging, they allow. This is our procedure. I will show you our this pipe. This is our gas Novec system have the pipe procedure. Come to the inside. This is our gas pipe. This is our gas novel nitrogen gas pipe. We have the nozzle. I'll show you. This is our nozzle. Today fire give the gas discharging due to the our fire exposing this nozzle. You can see one nozzle and four nozzle have here. This side crossing point have the according to the design to the engineer architecture and actually this have production system. And you also know from the other side in front of this corner and this front side. The cooperate with this room in this nozzle are extinguishing the fire. So suddenly if you have this one exposing the no anymore the if have big losses they are the reduce the our loss the material and equipment our properties. That's why we can use the Novex system. These are very expensive materials that safe. Okay, thank you.